Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai, apa kabarnya hari ini anak-anak solih dan solihah? Semoga senantiasa dalam lindungan Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Amin, amin ya Rabbal 'Alamin. Soleh and solehah student, pada video ini kita akan mereview unit-unit yang sudah kita pelajari. Jadi ada 7 unit, kita bagi menjadi 2 ya, sebelum PTS dan sesudah PTS. Nah, ini kita bagi di part 1. In this part, we will review Unit 1, My Wonderful Body, Unit 2, Amazing Animal and Plants. But before we start our learning for today, our review for today, let's begin our learning for today by saying Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Are you ready? In Unit 1, we study about my wonderful body, and we have know about muscle, stomach and small intestines, heart, lungs, and skeleton. After we know the part internal our body, so now what do this body part do? Yes, muscle help us to move. Stomach and small intestine break down the food we eat. Our heart pumps blood to the rest our body, and our lungs help us to breathe, and our skeleton give a shape and support our body. Soleh and solehah student, now we comes in Unit 2, Animals. In here we are study about animals home, animals and their characteristic, and the last useful and harmful animal. Hewan yang bermanfaat dan membahayakan. Yuk kita ingat lagi. Now we want to talk about animals home. Here are they: sea, garden, ponds, forest, and desert. Sea, what animal? Like fish, shark, seahorse. What about garden? Butterfly, ladybug, bee, and many other animals. What about snake, tiger, lion, orangutan? Yes, they all live in the forest. What about camel, jackrabbit, gecko? Yes, they all live in the desert. Soleh and solehah student, do you still remember what animal gets from their habitat? Yes, in their habitat, animal get food, water, and shelter. Now, we talk about the characteristic. Why this animal can live and survive in their habitat. Like camel. Camel can survive because they have humps to store fats. Jackrabbit's ears keep them cool. Fish have fin to swim. Sea turtle have flipper to swim. And also gecko have a tail. Break their tail when in danger. Also, duck, they have webbed feet. Now, we talk about useful animal. What animal are useful? The animal useful when 1. Give us food like cow and hen. Number 2. Help us to work like horse and buffaloes. And the last why they are useful because they are good pet like cats. Harmful animal, hewan yang merugikan. Why they are harmful? Number 1, spread disease like mosquito. They can bite us and make us sick. And also rat and cockroach, they are carry germs. Unit 3, we want to talk about land and water plants, and also useful and harmful plants. Land plant, they are grow and live in one other plant or tree. They can live in the building, and also land plant can grow on the ground. Water plant. Plant can grow on leaf. Number 1, they can float on the water or they live underwater. Float on the water like water lily. Now we want to talk about useful plants. Why they are useful? Number 1, give us fruit and vegetable. And number 2, give a shade from the sun. And the last, make a place look beautiful. Now, we talk about harmful plants. Why they are harmful? Number 1, poisonous, like pom-pom tree. And number 2, some plants hurt us when we touch them. Alhamdulillah, Soleh and Solehah student, we have reviewed our unit 1 to unit 3. Now, time to self-check. Okay, let's answer together. Kalau anak-anak belum mengerti, coba disimak lagi ya videonya. Now, the time for self-check. Read and answer together. Number 1, which not work together help us to breathe? Muscle, lungs, or nose? Ayo, kira-kira yang mana ya yang tidak bekerja bersama-sama ketika sedang bernafas? Ya, right, muscle. Number 2, camel have harm to store? Ya, punuknya onta. Ayo, untuk menyimpan apa ya? Uang, fat, or air, udara. Yes, right, fat. Number 3, mosquitoes are harmful animal. They bite us and blah blah blah. Kenapa nyamuk ini merugikan? Selain menggigit, juga ya betul, menyebarkan penyakit. In English, spread disease. Number 4, bird nest fern live and grow on. Perhatikan bunga pakunya. Yes, other tree. And number 5, which fruit is not safe to eat? Ayo, yang tidak aman untuk dimakan? Banana, papaya, or pompong seed? Yes, correct. Pompong seed is not safe to eat. Nah, sekarang anak-anak solih dan solihah berlatih secara mandiri. Dijawab sesuai dengan kemampuan Ananda. Semangat ya. Semoga sukses. Dan selanjutnya simak video review unit bagian 2.